Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our project, where we have our conversations. Channels and messages. From here, we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the person icon. And then tap on preferences. And in preferences at the top, we find the language. Here we have a list of different kinds of languages. And we can select one from these. And after that, we can just tap on OK. And then it's going to be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.